Right guys, this is 2013 Kia Rio. It cranked but it don't start. Anybody know what's going on with it out there? Can you please let me know? It has DDI. The battery is still good, 12.60 when I test it. Check the fuel. Should be that one for the fuel pump. Fuel still good, except this one they don't have fuel relay. Here we go. It's only like 100,000 miles on this one. See? So anybody out there know what's going on with 2013 Kia Rio? It don't start, crank. And I just changed the new fuel pump too. In, take that cap out, slide this one in. This is the new fuel pump that I put it in. And it still don't start, so I don't know what's going on with it. Anybody know what's going on with it out there? Can you please let me know?